Making money online has been made easier if you actually own a website or a blog space right now. As with this platform called the HilltopAds.com, you can actually go on to monetizing such kinds of websites and also blog spaces right here. As you can see on the platform homepage, you can see it says which you can make the big move or big money from your website. You can monetize your website traffic with the best converting offers and get high eCPMs. Now you can actually do this or register for the platform either as a publisher or as an advertiser. Now publishers are actually people looking for ways to monetize their spaces such as blog spaces or websites, while advertisers are people looking to get maybe kind of like an offer or maybe a product out there to a lot more audience right now. So if you could keep on scrolling through the home page, you can see much more details and features of this particular website. You can see that they actually do get some cool CPM. They actually have the traffic from direct publishers, advanced targeting, no blocks impressions, the real-time detailed statistics to actually monitor your statistics with respect to time. You can actually go on to checking out much more cool and amazing details of the platform right now, and you can see no financial transaction fees are actually required for you to monetize your website right now. And you can see to monetize your website, you can easily monetize up to 30% more effectively than before. You can easily get paid weekly with either one of these options such as Bitcoin, ePay service, Maxim, PayPal, USDT, web money, and wire transfer. So these are actually all cool and available methods to actually get paid from this platform called the Hilltop Ads just by monetizing your website. You could also monetize web and mobile traffic on all niches are actually welcome right here. As far as they are actually going to be clean ads right there, such as ads that are not actually having erotic content or adult ads. Now you can also go on to advertising your brand if you want to actually get high quality unique traffic covering all the GEOs. You can do that. You can also go on to getting deeper targeting than in other networks, as you can gain access to carriers, OS, browsers, devices, and a lot more other cool stuff. You can also see the own ad server and RTB solution, and this is actually for all traffic is going to be scanned and verified using the platform right now. As you can see, some of their ad units right here, and the ad units actually involve ads like video ads, in-page push notification, ads like pop-up or the pop under ads notification or the pop-up notification. You can also use direct link and banner ads. I'm going to show you much more details about that, and here are some of the platforms actually in support of this particular website called the HilltopAds.com. So you can easily go on to registering for the platform just by clicking on the sign up icon that will be shown on this section. If you do click on that, it's going to bring you to a very cool page where you just simply have to provide some basic details right here. As you can see, you'll be brought to this page. You just need to provide the basic details such as the particular account you want to register for. If you want to register for advertisers, select that and fill out all these other details such as your name, email address, password, agree to the terms of service before signing up to the platform. Now once you do sign up, guys, it's actually going to go on to bringing you to a page where you just simply need to go on to verify your email address to actually go on to verify that account. So to verify the account, just simply use the confirmatory email that will be sent to you on your email address, and you can gain access to the account. So once you do gain access to the account, all you need to do is just simply come onto this section, click on add site, and just simply add that particular website of yours or the blog space of yours. As you can see, your earnings will actually be shown in this particular section as time goes on, as you're actually making money from monetizing that particular website or blog space. You can also go on to see your account ID right now and other details of this particular platform. But you also want to take note of the ad format available right now. As you can see, there are ad formats like the push notifications right here. You can actually go on to see much more details such as the vast paid video ads and also the pop advertising right here, such as the pop under ad notification and the pop-up notifications right here. You could also see the direct links, the display banner, and other cool stuff available on the platform. Now you can also go on to earning money not just as a publisher only, but as an advertiser. Now if you want to earn money as an advertiser, although you're going to be spending some money to make more money, For the advertiser section, you just want to go on to promoting some stuff. Maybe you can actually go on to promoting stuff like affiliate marketing products or CPA marketing products, which you can get from CPA marketing platforms like CPA Grip. Now just simply take a look at this particular offer from CPA Grip. As you can see, this is a giveaway for people right now to stand a chance of winning up to $4,500 cash prize. Now you do have a unique affiliate link to promote this particular offer to people right now, and you need to promote this right here to people in the United States that uses a desktop device to complete the offer. And all they have to do is to just simply click on your unique affiliate link using a desktop device to submit their email address and zip code while going through a simple survey, and you're gonna get paid the sum of $1.02 for every person that completes that offer. Now this is just for this offer. This is the price for this offer. If you keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see much more different prices for various offers right now. So all you need to do is to promote the offer, and you could just simply utilize platforms like the HilltopAds.com to do so. You just need to go on to registering as an advertiser and go on to follow the necessary procedure to promote your offers. So these are actually cool ways to earn money online with this particular platform, and I hope you do take advantage of it. And if you're looking for more other cool ways to make money online, I usually create videos on strategies to make money online right now. You could check out the videos on my channel. They could actually help you get better, cool and amazing strategies to make extra income online. You could also hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bells on all to always get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.